choose one. Love letters or DMs? As in love letters, written love
Love,
letters.
love letters. Okay. Let me,
Clearly, kita niya kung sino yung romantic sa amin.
let me take the mic for a bit. So, lobat niyo sa mic. But, in this day and age, right? Sobrang dali mag LSM over DM. Do you guys know LSM? I don't know. Is this
Alam niyo
interesting?
pa ba yun? LSM.
It's called what?
Long, sweet message.
Lumalabas yung edad natin.
Oh.
Ah,
We're not that old.
okay. Again, with the effort thing, right? Diba, napag-usapan natin kanina. Yung bare minimum during
Kasama yun sa effort.
Valentine's. Yeah. I mean, imagine, you're gonna handwrite it. Walang chat GPT yun. Boss. There's no AI in that shit. So, makikita mo yan.
Teka lang. AI, Diyos ko naman, mamaya yung
Mag-media naman
essay,
kayo.
maiyakan naman.
Putik.
Kung
Kaya ka naman.
AI mo yung Valentine's message mo sa jowa mo, be, ano ba yan? Parang, okay lang maiksi.
At least it's from you.
Open chat. Give me a long, sweet message for my boyfriend.
Oh my God.
I like inspiring messages. Pero, huwag naman kayo mag-chat GPT ng message nyo sa jowa nyo.
I don't think we're in that stage yet na problem siya for couples. I hope so. But
Pero wag naman. Okay, ayun nga, pag written love letters, walang chat GPT.
yeah, that's like a good ang sweet nun for me.
Tapos ang ano pa na, ang opening pa, iniirog ko. Minamahal.
But like, kasi when you write, like that's an action. Eh di makikita mo doon minsan, gaano,
Kita mo doon sino yung mga pangit yung sulat, pangit pa lang sulat ng jowa ko.
yeah, so it takes long and it's medyo mahirap din magsulat ng mahaba kung mahaba talaga yung susulat mo. And hindi ka sanay magsulat, like sanay ka lang mag-type and stuff, that's hard Especially, hindi ka na, let's say, hindi ka na estudyante, hindi ka na sanay mag-write, puro ka na,
yourself.
yes, I'm describing myself. So, makita mo doon, like, napapasma ka na, nangangalay ka na,
Tapos may marka-marka pa yun.
makikita mo doon gaano katiin yung papel. Di ba? Minsan, may ink smears pa, ibig sabihin, umiyak, may smudges So, like, there's something to be said with love letters na handwritten. Because, like, it's such a romantic thing to do. Naalala ko si Noah. Noah from The Notebook. Araw-araw siya nagsulat ng letter for Yeah.
Okay. To me naman, love letters, if tatanungin ako, I'm also gonna answer love letters. Kasi, love letters always reveal something about your partner.
Yeah.
Or kung sino man yung sumusulat sa'yo, di ba? It reveals something beyond what's written there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's always interesting to receive handwritten letters. Nagpaparinig po ako. It's been years. Okay, moving on. Next, what's your reaction to last minute Valentine's dates? Yung mga hindi pinaghandaan. Isang taon yung nakalipas, hindi mo na pinaghandaan yung Valentine's date. Okay, reaction.
Okay. That's sad.
My reaction? Disappointing.
For me, it's sad. Because, like, same argument with you. It's been a year since last Valentine's. Such,
Hindi mo yun inisip, gano'n.
I mean, kasi if di mo pinagplanuhan, ibig sabihin, Valentine's isn't that big of a deal.
Yeah.
Diba? It's not that big of a deal. But,
If it doesn't cross your mind, it's not a big deal.
Yes. So, ang tanong, pares ba kayo ng partner mo with having
Okay,
Valentine's?
okay. If ganun. And if hindi, sinong mag
I mean, you should always meet
Okay, it's alive.
you should always meet your partner, like
In the middle.
if for your partner it's a big thing, right? For you it's not a big thing.
Oh, ano gagawin? Saan mag-a-adjust?
Collectively, it should be a big thing na. Cause like,
Oo. We always adjust further,
yeah,
not the other way around.
yes. You don't settle for less because
Mm.
especially if yung less na yun ay because ayaw lang mag-effort ng partner mo kasi hindi niya trip.
Alam mo, red flag yun for me.
Yeah.
Disappointing for me. May
No.
jowa ka tapos walang plan for Valentine's. It's not because nakikiuso ka at gusto mo ng
Gusto mo different kayo, wala. Ay, hindi
Oo.
naman big deal yung ba. I mean, if it's something that you and your partner agrees with, that's fine.
Oo.
But like, halimbawa, ikaw, big thing sa'yo yung Valentine's. Sa akin, hindi big
Uy.
thing. No, that's not
Ah.
true. It's big thing for me. Di pa ba halata sa mga sagot ko? But like, for example, big thing sa'yo, hindi big thing sa akin.
Oo.
Like,
It doesn't
I want,
matter.
as a loving partner, and supposedly, kung gusto mo talaga maging green flag,
Supposedly.
you should satisfy your partner's needs na, okay, I have to put effort during
Mm.
Valentine's Day because it matters to my girlfriend.
Tsaka wag mo, and in doing that, wag mo naman paramdam na pinipilit mo yung sarili mo.
Oh, parang you're already there, might as well.
Just do it, oo. Tsaka isipin mo na lang isang araw lang yun.
Yeah, I don't know, parang if for you, Valentine's is a chore, tas sa partner mo, it's a big thing, parang there's something to be
Just do your
said.
part. Oh. I mean, at the very least, just do your part and make your partner happy.
Yeah, saka for me, even if ma-effort yung pagpe-prepare on Valentine's Day,
Oo, mahirap.
tapos
Ayan, ang ingay ko.
hindi mo gaanong bet yung Valentine's Day, seeing your partner being excited and happy about it should already be enough for you to get by.
Oh, hindi lang get by. Dapat, ano ka na, parang,
Invested ka na rin.
oo, ganun.
So like, again, if it's last minute, I mean, life could get in the way. Maybe
Disappointing.
my work-related shit, my school-related shit,
Whatever shit.
right? For me, it could be like a long thing kasi.